Hi, welcome. This is Weekly Gita with Ashok Vyas, and in this series, we talk about practical application of the principles of Gita. And as you are aware, this is conversation between two friends. So we are talking in a friendly manner. But here, the friendship duo that we are referring to is also considered to be the divine duo, and rightly so. For over 5,000 years plus, this conversation or dialogue between Lord Krishna and Arjuna has inspired millions of people, generation after generation, and this has been translated in so many languages that I cannot even talk about that. But what I want to talk to you about is if you are going to start a new job, in what way the basic teaching of Srimad Bhagavad Gita or the perception which is shared by Lord Krishna with Arjuna could be relevant. So let us jump right in. We will take 7 steps together, 7 steps of the points that I consider could be relevant for you in starting towards a new journey of life with your new job. So let's begin. The first thing you should know before you start your job or anything is know your goal. When I say goal, this is the goal with which you want to lead your life, where you want to reach, what you want to accomplish, who you are. All these questions are relevant because if you start doing something without knowing what you want, then whatever you want, you will be dissatisfied. You would be not happy, and that unhappiness may lead you to a sense of frustration. So, what we want is a frictionless way of moving forward with joy of accomplishing what you set out to accomplish. And in order to do that, you should know what is your goal. So, know your goal leads to another side, which is you should know the job that you have started. What is your job description? What is it that you are expected to be doing in your job is relevant. So, being clear as to what would be needed in order to fulfill the responsibilities for which you are hired. So, know what is your job description very well, and then you move forward to another step, which is know the goal of the organization that has hired you. What do they want to accomplish? What is it that means success for the organization that you are serving? And of course, there will be some set of skills which you possess for which they feel that you would help them in realizing their goal. So don't have any kind of conflict in your own individual personal goal as well as goal of the organization for which you are serving. So once you know your goal individually, which is independent of the job, once you know the job description, once you are clear about the goal of the organization that you have chosen to serve, here comes another point, which is be upfront. So sometimes, out of a little bit of call it not laziness, but just hesitation. So you don't ask the kind of questions which are necessary to ask in order to be clear as to what is expected of you. So don't hesitate, seek clarifications and be candid. Why we refer to Srimad Bhagavad Gita in this context is because this is what Arjuna was doing. He was asking all the right questions or the questions which were bothering him in order to be clear that he should fight. So, by the way, let us recollect the setting of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Of course, there is a battleground where Arjuna feels that for some ethical interpretation of the setting, uh, that it's not the right way for him to proceed to fight. So he's a warrior. He's the best archer of his times, and but he feels that by fighting, it is going to result into the loss of lives, which is related to his own family members, his own kith and kin, and he had many questions. We would skip that for some other time, but we come back to the need to be clear as to whatever you set out to do. Ask questions, seek clarifications. Ask questions, seek clarifications from the people who you think are in a position to take care of your questions. And when you are in doubt, even if you are driving on a simple street, if you are in doubt, people behind you would realize that this driver is trying to figure out whether I should take a left or a right, or should I maintain the speed or should I slow down. So if you have that kind of mental state where you are not clear about your speed, your direction, it results into chaos behind you. So avoid that. Ask questions. Be clear. uh, you should also not worry much as to how others would think about you. Be straightforward, and being straightforward is also a part of what Srimad Bhagavad Gita is. Being simple, being truthful, removes a lot of potential future avoidable tensions. So, once again, important, ask questions as you start on a new job. Be clear as to what the company expects you to do and what way you should contribute. So now, once you are clear as to how you are going to be doing in the position that is assigned to you in your organization, that next step is very, very important. Give your best. Give your best is so, so important that if you choose to hold back, where that will go, that will be underutilization of your potential, and your potential increases in the proportion in which you make use of it. So make use of your talent wholeheartedly, and give your best to the organization that you are serving. It serves not just the organization, it also serves you well. So take that from Bhagavad Gita also, that do the best. And when you are clear, you have asked all the right questions, there is no doubt in your mind as about your role, then giving your best becomes easier than when you have a lot of friction inside, things are pulling you down or pulling you in different directions. But there's another final thought for today from Bhagavad Gita for your new job, and that is, do not depend on others to fill in you with positive energy. Indeed, positive environment is important, and how your colleagues or your peers or your superiors treat you, or the kind of company environment that is there, is relevant. But most important is stay self motivated. If you have learned the art of staying self motivated, you become unbeatable. When you become unbeatable, meaning there is nothing then that can prevent you from growing at a faster pace on your new job, or in discovering the new orbit of growth and success with this organization in your life wherever you go. So, once again, we quickly take a look at the 7 steps which are relevant from the point of view of starting a new job. First thing is know your goal. And once you know your goal, then you go to the next point, which is also equally important, and that is know your role. You know about your job description very, very well. And once you have known that, know the goal of the organization. Once you know the goal of your organization, then also another important aspect is you should be upfront, be straightforward in learning about your role, ask questions, seek clarifications, and once you are there, then be prepared to give your best. And when you give your best, you become unstoppable. Stay unstoppable, march on the path of victory, and also stay self motivated. So, on that note, I appreciate you joining me today, and may Gita Insight help you in realizing your full potential and move at a faster pace towards your goal, towards realizing your dreams. Stay happy, stay successful. Thanks for joining. This is Ashok Vyas.